Hi folks, it's Todd Dills here with the week's news from Overdrive, the voice of the American trucker. While the Colonial Pipeline has reopened after a sophisticated ransomware attack led to its closure for 6 days, it's taking more time to restock fuel stations that have sold most or all of their inventory. Truck stops continue to see some temporary diesel shortages in parts of North Carolina and South Carolina, Georgia, Florida, and Alabama. Find links to the most up-to-date information for major truck stop chains via overdriveonline.com. Throughout the length of the shutdown and continuing, the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration has lifted the hours of service regulation for drivers hauling fuel throughout Colonial's market. And through next week, the IRS is lifting penalties for highway use of dyed, untaxed diesel. If you're on I-40 and planning to cross the Mississippi River at Memphis, Tennessee, you'll need to plan some more. A crack in a bridge truss led to closing the bridge in both directions while the situation is investigated further. Closure could last for months as repairs are made. Detours are marked on both sides of the span. Arkansas eastbound traffic should take exit 5 to Interstate 55 to cross the river into Memphis. Tennessee westbound traffic should take the I-55 bridge across the Mississippi River to cross into Arkansas and then take exit 4 to access I-40 westbound. In other interstate highway news, Wyoming crews are starting work to provide more truck passing lanes on I-80 between Rawlins and Laramie. Crews will also build 100 truck parking spaces each in 2 locations, near Quealy Dome and Fort Steele. Self-driving technology company Too Simple said it had received 6,775 reservations for a new line of Level 4 International LT Series autonomous trucks. Level 4 means the vehicle does not require human intervention in the event of a problem or system failure. Only Level 5 is more advanced, requiring no human involvement in driving. The trucks, developed with International's parent company, Navistar, will be equipped with Too Simple's autonomous driving system. Manufacturing will begin in 2024. Among the first customers to place reservations are Penske Truck Leasing, Schneider National, and U.S. Express. Navistar, Schneider, and U.S. Express are shareholders in Too Simple. What are the biggest problems service techs are seeing with late model emission systems? What can you do to head those off? These questions, and some of your own, will be addressed in an hour-long Overdrive webcast. Join Overdrive Thursday, May 20th, at 5 p.m. Eastern Time for the free event. There will be a live panel discussion and Q&A aimed at offering ways to combat the problem of excessive emissions-related repair bills. The panel will feature business consultant and Overdrive contributor Gary Bucks, Pittsburgh Power founder Bruce Mallinson, and Jeff Gray, who runs an independent shop, Gray's Garage. The discussion will be streamed live via Overdrive's YouTube channel and via a page at overdriveonline.com. That's also where you can register for an email reminder about the event with instructions on where to view it and how to participate. Again, that's May 20 at 5 p.m. Eastern Time. The news just keeps getting better for those working the spot market. Spot truckload rates remain near all-time highs during the most recent week, a year after bottoming out as the economy faltered during the pandemic's early weeks. That's according to load board operator DAT. The 7-day average line haul rate for vans, minus the calculated fuel surcharge, was $2.27 per mile. That's 95 cents higher than the same period a year ago. Spot reefer freight averaged $2.61 and flatbed $2.62. Accounting for fuel, reefer and flatbed both topped $3 a mile, near historic highs. Pre-pass way station bypass customers now have another option for receiving bypass notifications and green lights. With an active pre-pass account, users of select models in Garmin's latest series in its line of diesel truck GPS navigators now receive on-screen notifications of upcoming way stations and bypass decisions on the same screen as navigation and route guidance. Customers using the pre-pass way station bypass with Garmin's navigators have the option to add electronic toll payment services with Pre-Pass Plus. Its integration with the diesel devices is available with a simple software update. It requires use of the Garmin Drive app on a compatible smartphone. Montana is partnering with the Canadian province Alberta to vaccinate truck drivers in Montana. The agreement will provide the first dose of COVID-19 vaccines to Alberta drivers who are regulated to operate in the United States. U.S.-based truckers also are eligible. A rest stop near Conrad, Montana will be the principal vaccine site, operating 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. daily through May 23rd. Signage on I-15 will offer guidance to drivers. New Love's Travel Stop location in Edna, Ohio, off of I-70 adds 124 truck parking spaces to the truck stops network. The location also features a Hardee's restaurant and Speedco, both set to open later, 9 diesel bays, 9 showers, and more. The Etna location is the 19th Love's in Ohio.